Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the for loop in the shell script. So first of all we will understand what is the loop. Loop is nothing but the repetitive task will execute until condition is met. Okay. For example, you wanted to do some task repeatedly number of time. In that situation, you will use the for loop. Or if you want to see the definition of the for loop is nothing but it will repeat the set of statement defined number of time. So this is the definition of the for loop. Then we will understand the syntax of the for loop. For, then here we will define the variable. In, whatever we wanted to iterate here, you can iterate here using the list, you can range of the numbers. Then we will give the do. Here we will specify the commands. Then our for loop will be closed. This is the syntax of our for loop. For example, we will understand this for loop using some simple example. Just you can take the example as you wanted to print the hello world 5 times. How you can write the shell script in the bash? You can write the echo hello world. How many times you wanted to repeat it? 5 times, right? Then you can copy it and paste it the 5 times. Then you can print the 5 times hello world in the shell script. Let's see how we can do that in the server. Login into the server. Create the file loop with hello.sh. Paste it, save and exit. Right. For execute this shell script, you have to specify the execute permission to our script with hello. Now you can execute your shell script loop with hello. It is printing the hello world 5 times, right? Here you can see. So instead of writing the hello world 5 times, I wanted to write this in the shell script and execute it the 5 times. We can specify the range in the for loop. We can specify the range in the for loop using the curly braces, dash dash, how many times you wanted to repeat that one, starting point and end point in the for loop. So let's write the shell script for printing the hello world 10 times. Just copy the shell script. I don't want to waste your time to write the standards. Just copy it and paste it here. Remove this one. Update the description based on your requirement. This is for understanding the for loop. Then you can write it your date here, then modify date. Now you can write the for loop. Our variable is the I, and I wanted to print hello world 10 times. Whenever you are having the range 1 to 10, you have to specify the range in the for loop. that you can specify using the range syntax. So means these numbers will be stored into the I variable and it will execute the our command that number of time. What is my command here? First we will print the number 1 to 10, then we will print the our hello world. Okay, first here echo print our value here, dollar, our variable is the I, then done. Okay, this will print the 1 to 10 numbers, means range of numbers. First we will understand it will print or not. So vi range of number dot sh, print our shell script here, save and exit, then specify the execute permission to the our script. Execute our script now. Now you can see it is printing the 1 to 10 numbers. In this way you can execute your loop with the range of numbers. Now we will adjust our instead of number I wanted to print hello world 10 times. Hello world. Just you can go inside the our script and update it. Just we have to update here hello world. I wanted to print hello world 10 times. Now execute it. Now you can see it is printing the 10 times as a hello world. In this way you can specify the range of time you wanted to execute your command, right? Now if you want to print the reverse number of your range, how we can do this? Here if we now define the our 1 to 10 and it is printed the 1 to 10. If you want to print the 10 to 1, how we can do that in the reverse way? So just you can modify it here. Your starting is the 10, ending is the 1 to 10. Then you wanted to print here your number here with the reverse, right? Just we will understand the how we can do the reverse number printing, right? Create the one shell scripting reverse.sh, give the execute permission to the our shell script. Now execute your shell script here. Now you can see it is printed the reverse numbers 10 to 1. In this way also you can execute your for loop. For example, now you have the some string values. For example, you have the weekdays, like you have the weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? These are the weekdays. Now I wanted to print one by one. Here we have the 7 weekdays, right? I wanted to print it 7 times, right? Then how we can do that? Just you can copy your script. Instead of range, you can specify also string here. Your loop will be iterate over the string also. Now, instead of this, you can give your range of the string. In this way, it will repeat over the string also. First Monday will store into the I variable, and that I variable will be printed here. Second time it will Tuesday will be stored into the I variable and Tuesday will be print. Then third time it will store the Wednesday and Wednesday will be print. Then it will store the Thursday in the I variable and I variable will be printed. Like this, it will complete these all the strings and iterate over the strings here. So let's see it will print or not. Create the one script here, iterate over string dot sh. Save it. Give the execute permission to our script. Now you can execute your shell script now here. Now you can see it is printing the one by one. So we can print the range number of times, or we can execute our for loop reverse range number of times. Also we can iterate over the our strings, and also we can define these into the array or list, and we can also iterate over the array and list in the variable also. Just we can see how we can do that in the for loop. Copy it, paste it here. Instead of writing all the weekdays here, I will write it into the array form. I will define one variable weekdays is equal to, inside this I define these all variables. Okay, when we define the array variable, so we have to call that here dollar curly braces. Our weekdays is the variable, and these all values are stored inside the at the rate. How these all the variables are stored inside the at the rate, if you want to understand, when I am discuss the arguments, there I have discussed these all the arguments inside the argument video. Please go and watch that video for understanding this. Okay, now we will see these values will be print or not. Copy it, vi array loop.sh, paste it here, save and exit, give the execute permission to our script chmod array over the loop, then execute our array. See, or all the values are printed using the for loop. In this way you can iterate on any value. Now we will see how we can do that using the list also. Go here, copy this one, here instead of this If you want to define that as a list, you have to define all in the single double quote. It automatically iterate all the values. Yeah. For list of the values, just you have to call the variable only. So now copy it. Open it. Delete the all the values here. Paste your script and execute it. Now you can see you can define the range of the variables. You also define the you can also loop over the string. You also define the loop over the range of the values. You also define the loop over the array, also define the loop over the list. In this way you can define and you can execute the for loop. So these are the some of the example for understanding how loop will be work into the shell script. Now we will do this with correlate our Linux administration activity. For example, I wanted to install some packages into the our server. First of all, if the packages are there, I will remove that sudo apt purge tree for show how to install that. Okay, these are already installed in my server. I'm removing that. Nginx. Okay, now let's write the script for install these two packages. Copy it, paste it here. Instead of weekdays, I am giving the variable as a packages. Here I will define the packages to install here. Two packages, right? Tree and Nginx. These two I wanted to install in the our server. Just copy it. However, it is iterated over the weekdays. It is same iterate over the our packages also. Here I have to give the our commands. Sudo apt update for update the packages into the server. Then sudo apt install -y or package name. So in this way, we can do the automation of installing the multiple packages using the for loop. Vi packages with loop .sh. Paste it. Give a execute permission chmod +x packages with for loop. Now execute it. What was the issue? Why it is not executing? So okay, instead of this, we will define the array, and inside that array, we will do that. curly braces, @ Okay, understand the issue. Here I had defined the packages, but I am using the variable here weekdays. This also you have to update it. So it will work in the here also. Instead, you can define in the list or you can define in the array. So just you can modify it as the packages. Okay, that is the issue. Save and unexpected EOF matching here. Okay. Now you can see it is executing the packages also. This is the issue of installing the packages. So you will learn while if you get the issues while doing the practice. If you are not get the any issues while doing the practice, you will not learn those concept. Okay. While doing the practice, you get the issues, then you will get the more knowledge while fixing that issues. Okay. Now you can see it has installed our packages. Just you can check. So check our tree command is working, means our packages are installed successfully in the our shell script using the shell script. Okay, this is for installation. If you want to run some multiple commands also, now copy it here. Just you wanted to run some multiple commands, like you wanted to create the folder mkdir. You wanted to create a folder like second folder, first underscore second folder. You can give the any name. I wanted to create these two folder using the mkdir command. So how we can do that? So vi folder.sh, paste it here, give the execute permission chmod +x folder.sh. Now execute your folder.sh ls-la. Second folder has created, then first and second folder also created. In this way, you can automate any Linux administration work using the shell script with for loop. Whatever you wanted, you are having the repetitive task. Those repetitive task you can put it into the for loop and you execute the number of times using the for loop. Thank you for watching this video. That's it I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like, comment and share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.